Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make 3D objects or 3D blocks in Geometry Dash. Of course, first things first, you want to head over to your level editor, and from here you then want to click on build, and in my case I'm going to be building a simple cube, 3D cube. Now the first shape is going to be this one. Of course, once again, you can edit this by using other block itself, but to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and use this one. Now for the corner, you want to use this specific block right here, which will then add this 3D effect. And if you want to keep going, of course, you can then continue placing these objects onto the shape itself. So let me just do that real quick. And when you encounter this problem, you can then use other methods like the free move option. So if you click on edit, click free move, we'll be able to move this freely right here, which will automatically snap it onto the board itself. Now I can just copy and paste this until I basically complete the whole 3D effect itself. So from there, navigate back to the build option, and then let's add the other lines, which is going to be at the side right here. And then of course, edit, then you can rotate this, navigate to the free move option, and then basically you can then build your shape from there. So let's just finish this real quick so you can go ahead and simply visualize the shape that we are building as of the moment. And so basically from here you get the point. You can just assemble the shape the way you want to. And so guys, that's how you build a 3D block in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.